But I told you guys that I wanted to do like a little summer skin tutorial because I really liked what I did with my skin last weekend. So I'm gonna do that for you guys today. And I'll also still do an eye look. Feeling something, you know, seafoam greenish to go with my top, or well, with my romper. But anyway, let's get started. So, I'm also probably gonna take off these clunky rings in the meantime, but, so, actually, let me go to a voiceover. And now I'm here with the voiceover. So, I am taking the e.l.f. Halo Glow foundation or base, whatever you call it. I know it's like kind of a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury. But anyway, I'm taking that and I'm putting that all over my face. And the thing with this, like I said, I didn't like it at first because I'm more of a medium to full coverage gal, but it really does kind of give a my skin but better look. And like that is very perfect for summer because it's like you want to wear something that's a little bit more lightweight and things. So yeah, I was having the glowiness. You know how sometimes it's like you might not be having something at first and you just have to, you know, put it away and then come back to it on another day. So that's kind of what I did, and that's why I wound up liking it. But see, look at the glow on the skin. Very natural. But now for the concealer, I'm going in with an oldie but a goodie. Going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then I'm also applying my e.l.f. concealer as well, like on the very inner corner under my eye, just for that additional brightness, because I do like a bright under eye. I didn't film this, but I took my Essence Brighten Up banana powder, and that's what I used to set my concealer. And I also used my Black Radiance contour bronzer. Anyway, so now for the blush, I'm taking this Viva Las Cheeks brand. This was actually from my girl Danny because she used to work for Ipsy, and she would bring like goodie bags, like, you know, basically just stuff from inventory and whatever. So this was something that I grabbed during one of those, and I finally tried it for the first time, and baby, that blush, she was a lot more pigmented than I was expecting it to be, so I was pleasantly surprised. Definitely very summer pink cheek. And then I am also going in with that highlighter that is in that palette as well. And it also just kind of had like a nice natural sheen to it. It wasn't like super glittery or anything like that, so that was nice. But yeah, yay for using products we don't usually use. But now it's time for the fun part, because that was basically the base, so now it's time for the eye. I took my Beauty Bay Wilderness palette. I have not used her in a minute, but because I was wearing this seafoam green romper, y'all know me, I match my eyeshadow to my outfit, so that palette had like the perfect seafoam green shade. So I'm just taking that and I'm applying it all over the lid. This is gonna be a real quick and easy look. So I just took that all over the lid. I also put it on my lower lash line as well. And now this is where I have a little bit of playtime, because I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do in my inner corner, because I didn't want just like a white or you know, kind of bone matte shade. So I initially took that kind of teal turquoise shimmer, but it wasn't quite doing it for me. I felt like it was a little bit too dark of a contrast with my eye look. So then I took that kind of duochrome shade and I applied that on top of it, and it brightened it up a little bit. I liked it, but I still wasn't quite fully satisfied. So then what I did after this, I did wind up taking the bone matte shade that is in the palette and I put that on top. But actually, and I didn't, I'm getting ahead of myself, that duochrome shade, I liked how it looked on top of the seafoam green matte shade. I really liked how that layered on top of that, so I just applied that on the inner portion of my eyelid. And then here's what I'm doing here. I took that bone matte shade. There, see, yep, now I'm having it. I just wanted a little bit more brightness on the inner eye, but I didn't want it to just be white. So anyways, that is the eye look. Like I said, real quick and easy. I applied my lashes and mascara off camera. And now for the lip, I am going in with my Kiss lip liner in dark brown, and then I am taking my Fenty Mini my Fenty Mini Gloss Bomb. I forget the shade of this one, but it's more pinky. It's a little bit more fun. And yeah, I just applied that on top. And yeah, guys, that is the look. That is the look. I am really happy with how it turned out. Definitely felt nice and summery and just like, you know, fun color. Because I really don't do this color on my eyes, but I'm glad that I did it this time. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.